Hi everyone, my name is Mateo and welcome to my course on managing files using Bash and Z Shell. In this course, we are going to learn about working with files from the shell inside of the terminals of GNU Linux and Mac OS. Bash and Z Shell are one of the most popular shell choices for the last 3 decades. We'll also mention some small differences in how these shells work with files and the differences between BSD and GNU utilities. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include file creation, globbing, file permissions, input and output redirection, processing text with awk and sed, and much more. By the end of this course, you'll know how to create, remove, edit, read, process, and manipulate files in Bash and Z Shell. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar only with what these shells are and nothing more. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn working with files from the shell with the Managing Files using Bash and Z Shell course at Pluralsight.